Yeah, this is my village, and the name of the village is Tupari. It is in Palus Tahsil of Sangli district in Maharashtra. It is western part of Maharashtra. This is very beautiful village, and for a couple of decades I am living in this village. I am enjoying this village. On one side you can see there is a river. This is Krishna river. You can see this is a Krishna river flowing towards the eastern side, and on north side there are hills. These hills are this is part of the Sahyadri hill chain, Sahyadri hills. This is a chain of the hills which is starting from the western ghats up towards the eastern side. So this village, and likewise there are number of villages which are located in between the river and the Sahyadri hills. Very beautiful. Climatic conditions are very good. Temperature remains 25 to 30 degrees Celsius on an average annually, plus approximately 200 centimeter rainfall you can see throughout the year. So very good conditions, conducive environment for the people as well as agriculture, and farmers are taking multiple crops. Earlier they were taking multiple crops, but now they have reduced it to only sugarcane. 90% of the area you can see this is covered with the sugarcane. And most prominent thing which is happening right now is the increased use of the weedicides and pesticides. Every farmer is using some kind of weedicides and pesticides, and I am confident that every soil particle in this village is contaminated with some kind of weedicide. There are three weedicides which are used by farmers. One is called as glyphosate, second one is atrazine, and third one is 2,4-D. Besides this, there are some other herbicides are also used by farmers. Now I just wanted to get your attention on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals target number 3.9, which says that set the target to reduce the number of deaths because of the contaminated air, soil, water, and chemicals. So this is the target, and within that the target number 3 indicator number 3.9.3 says that to reduce is the mortality rate attributed to unintentional poisoning. Unintentional poisoning is the poisoning caused because of the chemicals which we are getting in our body, consuming, or we are getting exposed to these chemicals throughout our day-to-day activities. So the increased amount of these chemicals which will cause impact on the human health very badly. It will also cause some impact on the environment because the non-targeted animal and plant species will be killed because of these chemicals, especially weedicides and pesticides. Now the 2019 data of World Health Organization say that in there were more than 2 million deaths happen because of the chemicals and pesticides and other form of hazardous chemicals in 2019. And out of these deaths, 42% of the deaths cause 42% of the people died because of the cardiovascular diseases. The data is available with me, which shows that 42% of the deaths caused because of the cardiovascular diseases, 26% because of the chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and 17% because of the cancers. So you see huge number of people are dying because of the chemicals, hazardous chemicals, and what is required is to reduce their exposure to these chemicals. People should be aware about the importance of the clean environment, and we need to reduce their exposure so that the diseases which they are getting through these chemicals can be reduced.